so beautiful. Oh man. Ooh, stellar. Stellar. It's in its natural habitat.
Really uncomfortable.
What up, guys? Freaking Royal Madman here. We're gonna do like a do-it-yourself style video. I don't even know what that freaking means, but this is what we're gonna be doing. I showed this, I think, in a previous video. Maybe it was on my live stream, which is at Royal Madman on Instagram. If you guys aren't on there, shameless plug. But we got a Vovo lip, so I'll show you the lip that we currently have. This was a lip that my buddy Darren gave to me, or at Go Rollas, and it is also a Vovo lip. So as you can see, we'll stand back. There's a bunch of vents in this one. This one's slightly, I would say, more shallow than my current one, and it's taller, so it'll give the appearance that the car is lower. Not that it needs help in that aspect, but that is the plan today. So I'm gonna get the grinder, get the extension cord out. So that is currently what we have, which is like a mid-80s Vovo wagon, like GL lip or something like that. And then what we have here is a Vovo lip, like off of a sedan instead of a wagon. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut these tabs. We're going to cut these tabs off. Basically get the lip where it's all flush on the top for the mounting point. And then we'll take the lip off the car currently, and then we'll start figuring out where we're going to center or cut the section out of the center of the lip so it looks all centered. So pretty much only tools you really need, or at least that I'm going to be using: zip ties for when I put it back on, dikes to cut the old one off, grinder. I got jack stands because my car's too low, and a jack, and then cut off wheel and flappy disc. Pretty much it. Yeah, so you can see right here, this has 3 vents on one side, and that one has vents, except for the one spot that is blocked. Not sure, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I thought about I could cut it out, so then it's vented all the way across, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now. So you're going to see here, so pretty much we're cutting all this off, all back to there, all the way down. Basically got all the freaking access all cut off. Now, I'm gonna mock it up to the car, figure out where to cut it down the middle, and figure out where to cut it on the sides. And then we'll do all the cleanup basically at once, basically getting all this stuff off. Basically, I like to get everything rough cut, pretty much get all the holes drilled out, and then clean up the whole thing, because we are going to paint this so it's black, all nice and pretty. Alright, so pretty much where we're freaking at is I got the excess cut off the lip, basically that top half, and then I had to go ahead and cut the sides because I wanted to fit flush with the body line of the car, and then I went ahead and cut it in half. So I'm going to mock it up on the car, and then next I think I'll be measuring it out and then zip tying it together. Now there's a lot of cleanup and stuff, so I'll try to get as much cool little shots as I can of doing the cleanup, but that's kind of all boring stuff. So the next scene you'll probably see with me talking is probably sanding it down and getting ready to paint it, or have it painted and all together, and then we'll get it on the car and see what the heck it looks like. What's up, guys? Freaking Royal Madman here. Yep, I'm laying on the ground. This is what I do when I get off of work. I come home, I make a mess, and I lay on the ground. Now, all seriousness, I was working on the other lip and ran into a little dilemma. So this is going to be a video slammed together with what I got. So I got clips and stuff of me cutting it, getting it all lined up and all that fun stuff, and I'll show you guys here in a second. But I ran out of zip ties and I gotta go paint, because I actually want to repaint both lips. So got the old lip back on because I had enough zip ties for it. Oddly enough, the new lip is actually going to take more zip ties. And I fixed a little gap that I had in my lip. I don't know if you can see that. It's all flat across there now, which is super dope. So yeah, temporarily, even though I got the other lip technically done, we put the old one back on. So
Old one, focus. Old one is back on, and it's all flush, and I'm super so stoked. And I got this one together. Let's look at this stitching. Look at this stitched up job. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. But no, I got this one done. I just got to go get some zip ties and some paint. So kind of, you can clearly tell that this one is going to be taller. So I'm curious. Very curious.
To see what it's gonna look like when I get it on there. I really love the lip that I already have, but it's always fun to try new stuff, so it's like, why not? My neighbor was giving me a bad time. Oh, you should use some plastic adhesive. It's like, huh? Zip ties, my kind of adhesive. I can't sew. I don't know how to play with string, but I know how to use a zip tie. Hell yeah. Anyways, guys, hopefully this isn't too short. Hopefully it's entertaining. Let me know in the comments or hit me up in my DMs on Instagram at Royal Madman. Let me know what you guys think of the YouTube videos, what you think of the quality of the new camera, which is super dope. And shameless plug, go check out my Big Cartel, royalmadman.bigcartel.com, and check out the freaking stickers. So far we got at TE72, we got Cameron, we got Danger Dally, at Jamin got one, GoRolla got some stickers, at Drift Rollas. I had to hook him up. He's a huge help to me and stuff. So he's got some stickers. So hopefully we start seeing those things floating around on some cars because they are freaking sick. I'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully in the next one we get the steering wheel on. And we get the new lip tested on the car and see what the heck it looks like. Peace.